Let's see what's under this rock. There could be nothing, or there could be something crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this!
Look, he's like a little bitty spider. Oh,
Wait, found a fish. Dude's sleeping. Look at this. It's a little rock sculpin. Whee! It's a little starfish right here. It's a little tiny baby starfish. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. It's a big hermit crab. Oh, he's huge. Oh, what's he doing? Here, I'm gonna put him over here. He's trying to find a new hiding spot. What the? Look at this. Ah, it's a little shrimp. Whoa, whoa. They're fast. They're slippery.